All right, this is one of those products I'm gonna talk about and not show you. You don't want me to show you what this product is right here. This is a bag that holds water. This is a sprayer. Do you remember back in the COVID days when you went to the grocery store and you couldn't find toilet paper anywhere? Well, that's what hooked me onto a bidet. I'm like, hey, if I can't buy toilet paper, I'm gonna transfer over to a bidet. I've never looked back. We have one in our rig, we have it in our full-time RV, and when you go camping, that's exactly what this portable case is gonna do for you guys. I almost am at the point where I just don't wanna do my business without a bidet. So it's really simple, really easy. You fill this up with water. I'm not gonna show you how this works, but we are gonna turn it on. It does come with a water pouch, and then it sucks the water up, and then it has this as a suction right here, and you can put that on the side, well, wherever you're gonna do your business, and it just holds it in place like that. Isn't that cool? Obviously it's USB-C charged, so that's a plus. So if you're camping, you don't have access to power, but this thing runs out, you can just simply plug it into a power bank and charge it back up. It doesn't take much power and it lasts a long time, and you're not gonna be letting it run for a while. Also, here's your on-off switch, and it comes with a, oops, don't turn it on. It comes with a case so that you don't have any oopsies that it turns on. So a shield that covers the power button so that it doesn't accidentally turn on and then you don't have any power when you need it, right? So over here, right here, you just lift this up right here and you got your USB-C right there. That's where you plug it in and get your power, right? So to hook this up, you simply just open this up right here, and any jug, any water is gonna do it, but they give you a pitcher because this right here goes down inside of this. So let's say you didn't bring this. Well, the cool thing is you can just use a water bottle, right? You can just use a simple water bottle. If you have a water bottle, you just put that in there and you're good to go, right? So that's usually what I do because I don't want to lug a ton of water, and I usually don't have like a stationary place where the bathroom is, but if you have a base camp, I guess that might work. So I just bring an extra like water bottle or two for that reason. And it does give you a handy toiletry bag too as well. So if you wanted to combine like all of your toiletries into this bag and just bring this, you can do that. That's kind of what I do, or what I'm going to do is just have this in here and that, right? And all my toiletry bags. Guys, if you're ever out in the wilderness going backpacking or whatever, it's just super light and you don't have to use leaves anymore. You can get clean all day long. And to turn it on, I don't know if you can hear that, and it has two modes, right? Low and high. All right, if you like using bidets like I do, then you're gonna love this portable one if you're an avid camper, or if you're an avid camper, hiker, or just needing to leave it in the car for those emergencies that we're not gonna talk about. Hopefully not. And here you go, a travel size bidet. When you need it, you're gonna need it.